Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast Edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. So I wanted to stop in and give you guys a little bit more TA on the Sndl symbol. I want to give you guys the harsh truth about what could take place in this market over the next 24 hours. And if you are just joining us, welcome, and hit that subscribe button. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thanks to you and our loyal subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting us. And this is going to be kind of a much more serious video. I want to explain the technicals in this video. I'm not going to try and justify any bullish thesis. I'm just going to point out the technicals. So please be patient with me, and please understand that I'm invested in this, and I am going to give you the bearish case scenarios as well. It might be a little bit harsh for those who follow me closely, but guys, this is not me, it's the technicals. Let me not start rambling. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 27th, 2021, and the previous close of Sndl is going to be 56 cents. It's down about 6.5% for the day. A little bit more seller pressure coming in the pre-market, 0.51 cents, down about 7.5% for the day. I can literally feel the hearts beating out there. A lot of people are probably getting nervous about what's going on. We explained yesterday of what could take place in this market, so I'm not going to go over that. Let's go over where we are today, okay, right now. And let me be very specific about what needs to take place within the next 48 hours in order for this to become null and void. Please listen to what I say. Please write down the levels, okay? These are the 3-day candles that we're looking at. Same thing, guys. The price was range bound, and it could still potentially be range bound. Remember the range that we... And please leave down in the comment section, guys. Am I all over the place? Maybe some will say I'm all over the place, but I truly don't think I am. The range, if it's above 56 cents, we're range bound up to here. Between 85 cents, between 56 cents and 85 cents, if it's above 56 cents, that is a range. It appears that the price is breaking down below 56 cents. Is it guaranteed to be officially breaking down below 56 cents? It looks like it. I'll be honest. But the reason that you know me, it's not over until it's over. The buyers have an opportunity to step in, but I'm telling you now, it must happen so aggressively. Like seriously, it must happen today. I can't give the buyers 48 hours. If the buyers don't step in this market today, then it's probably going to be a very interesting price development leading into next week and into next month. They have to step in today. I mean, I'll give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. The bulls, guys, you got 48 hours to keep this price above this, I guess, illusion trend line that's here on the chart that started all the way back in October the 30th, around 14 cents. The buyers need to protect this level. Otherwise, again, we already explained, the sellers are going to step in very aggressively. I don't want people to be surprised about what's going to happen, and people are like, oh my God, but please leave in a description section or the comment section, please write down manipulation. The first time I say, I'm telling you, I need a really good laugh this morning, because there's nothing about what's going on is manipulation. Nothing about this is manipulation. So please, with that manipulation stuff. If the price again, these are the 3-day candles. It has about 1 day and 8 hours to close. So that's going to be, what is that? The next candle is going to open on January the 29th. Okay, so that's going to be Friday of this week. Okay, there's going to be a new candle open. If the new candle can open above this trend line, so let me just go ahead and give you the levels. If the new candle opens by Friday above 61 cents, yeah, this is just a shakeout. But if it closes below and it stays below, no. The trend line is this is an illusion, guys. This trend line here, it's an illusion. It was a bullish move and a bearish trend. That's all it was. Okay. Again, we did explain that the sellers may step in the market. Here's the levels. Let me just go and give it my technical guys who stopped in for the levels. Here it is. So 56 cents all the way down to this. Before I say that level, Elias, I know you're listening. Go ahead and let the comment section, everyone know what's the next level of potential support that you've been waiting for, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section what that level is. You're man enough to leave it in my comment section, okay? Let everyone know what the next level is on the daily, okay? But if that level that Elias is going to leave in the comment section, if he's man enough to leave it down in the comment section, if that level fails, then the next level is going to be all the way down here at this green line at about 25 cents, okay? This is the range for me. I have been very consistent. I think you guys, you can disagree. That's fine. Let me know down in the comment section if I have not been consistent with my thesis and my levels on SNDL. They've been very strategic, very cut and dry. If the price is below 56 cents, it will be subjected to any price levels above 25 cents. That's it. That's the range for me. You can disagree until you're blue in the face. Okay, that's fine. But this is how my technical thesis suggests levels. These are the macroscopic levels. You guys can keep the 1 hour. You're not going to see a 1 hour chart on this channel ever. It's not going to happen. Okay, you guys can keep with that little 1 hour, 5 minute stuff, please. I'll be dizzy. I need something to control my head. I'm gonna be spinning if I look at those time frames. I don't understand it. 25 cents up to 56 cents is the level. It's gonna get very interesting, guys. Okay, in this market. These are the moments where I step into the market. Okay, I did enter a like a measly contract yesterday at like 58 cents or something. Maybe it was like 60 cents yesterday. I will not add to my position. For those of you going to ask me, are you buying? This is where I'm going to add to my position. I'm not investing a single penny more of my capital in SNDL until/if it gets down to 25 cents. That's where I'm adding. I'm going to double my position at 25 cents. And if it just so happens that that level cannot hold its support, then my next level that I'm going to triple my position is if it makes lower lows. For those of you who don't know where the lower lows is right down near the 14-cent level. I'm not saying that's actually, honestly, I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm just letting you know how I will be participating in this markets, because I know someone's going to ask, and I'm just explaining to you how I will be approaching this market from a position of strength, like a champion entering this market and not listening to anyone on social media or wherever, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is how I will be adding to my position. I am invested in SNDL like a joke. My position is a joke. Okay, it's not a significant position. And one last thing I wanted to say before we close out here, I want to explain to you guys the psychology. I think is what it's called. Psychology, something. I think you know what I'm trying to say. I'm not intelligent, guys. Serious. The investors who bought SNDL above 25 cents, because I know a lot of people have invested in this, like 23 cents, 25 cents, even like 31 cents. They're holding. They're probably not selling. They're probably buying here. And the reason I'm explaining this to you guys is because if the sellers are truly in full control of this market, the order books are sufficient enough for them to push the price down. Remember, don't look at this as numbers. These are buyers and strategic sellers in the market. And this is where everything actually started right here. I just wanted to play that out for you guys. If the order books are sufficient and the sellers have control, let me explain this, but please listen, guys, what I'm saying. It's a story. You have to understand what I'm saying. If the order books are sufficient enough to actually capture the seller's interest in this market, then the sellers are going to push this price down, and there will be enough buying interest in this market in order for the sellers to actually push the price down. Let me see if I can explain that a little bit better. So for those of you who just have no idea about like order books or anything, I'm no expert about like order books, but what I'm saying is, if you think about it from like a practical, like a logical standpoint, there's buyers and there's sellers. There must be a buyer. There must be a buyer on the other end of the seller's market, and vice versa. There must be a seller on the other end from a buyer's market. And again, I'll just hopefully cut this out in this video. I'm saying that because let's just say that the price does push down to the downside. The buyers who are holding this asset below 56 cents, who are not selling like below 40 cents, like they're holding, right? They're not selling. This is a sufficient amount of capital or buying interest in this market to actually push the price to. They have someone to sell to. The sellers, when they push this price down, there will be someone on the other end of that play to actually sufficiently fulfill those orders. So if the price goes down, you're like, dumps off, or not dump off. I don't like using that word. If the price does, push to the impulse leg to the downside. If that takes place, then there will be a sufficient amount of buyers holding this asset for the seller to sell it to. You know, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. That's all that's going on in this market. And again, I'm not even saying this is going to take place. Be patient. 56 cents is the level. I'm not all over the place, critics. 56 cents. If the price does not obliterate 74 cents today or tomorrow, I'll give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. Today or towards the end of the week, honestly, no. It needs to happen today, guys. They cannot wait, because 56 cents is a nasty level that the buyers do not need to get stuck below, because the sellers have complete control below 56 cents. So understand that if the buyers don't step in today, it's not going to be nice. It's not going to be some bullish momentum in this market. I'm not sure how long it would take, honestly, but let's just say that, guys, the buyers seriously need to get above 56 cents today and close below 56 cents, actually 61 cents by January the 29th for this trend line to be still in full effect. Okay. Really simple, guys. This stuff is not complicated. Again, I am invested. I have 2 little measly contracts on Sndl. I still don't own any stock. I need someone to commit to me at a specific day, after a specific day, to sell me some contracts. I already explained that. So that's it, guys. It's crunch time. We've already said that. So it's going to be very interesting. The sellers, they're going to attempt or actually follow through and step into this market, honestly. So do I have a direction? 56 cents. I've said this like a million times. 56 cents. If it doesn't get above that price, then yeah, it's going to get very interesting, to say the least. That's it. I'm going to cut it out, guys. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Critics tell me that I'm all over the place. You're saying up, down. You don't know. Prediction. All right, whatever. Leave that down in the comment section. It is Napoleon Macro. If you guys are just joining us here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. We're going to send you that information when it's readily available. We go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So we cover that as well. So thank you for joining us. And that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. Rewind it back for the levels, guys. Seriously, I'm very strategic with the levels. And bye for now, guys.